Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we're gonna look at a different type of screen recorder, which is actually a Chrome extension called ScreenCastify. And without any further ado, let's get started with that. So as you can see, I'm on the Google search page here. I'm gonna search for ScreenCastify and hit enter. There you go. This is the website for ScreenCastify.com. So I'm gonna just click here. There you go. So this is the website for ScreenCastify Screen Recorder, which is a Chrome extension. So before getting into that, I'm gonna look at the products they have. They have a product for recording, editing, and submitting video assignments. Basically, this is for schools, for teachers, for educators, and for students. As the website says, this is screen recorder, but more specifically adapted towards teaching and learning experiences. All right, so here I'm gonna quickly check out the pricing. So I'm gonna click on pricing here. There is a free version, there is a starter version, and there is a pro version. This is the annual subscription, of course. But if you go for a monthly subscription, there is a free version for $0 and starter version for $15 and a pro version for $20 per user per month. Of course, if you go to the annual version, it goes down by a lot. And actually the thing is, in the free version you get 10 videos per library and 30 minutes of free recording. There is also video storage ability, and you can actually export to a 30-minute video. Also, you can get a watermarked YouTube export version, because the video that you're going to export is going to be watermarked as well. I use PepperCloud for my recordings, as it's very easier and a web-based screen recording platform. I can actually record my screen and share it to the social media apps that I want in a click. So I like to use PepperCloud for my daily driver, guys. You can straight away share your videos to emails of other people, and you can actually create groups, which is a fantastic option. Also, you have an option to share on social media. The most interesting feature is to share your videos via streaming to different social media sites, as mentioned here. I suggest you try PepperCloud, you guys. I have included the link in the description. Alright, now I'm gonna just go to the home page here, and I'm gonna add the ScreenCastify to my Chrome. So I'm just gonna click on add to Chrome here. It goes to the Chrome web store, and I'm gonna choose to add to Chrome and click on add extension. There you go. The ScreenCastify Screen Video Recorder has been added to the Chrome. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this extensions tab, and there I'm going to search for ScreenCastify. I'm just going to click on ScreenCastify here, and it quickly asks me to sign in with Google. So I'm just going to sign in with my Google account here. I'm going to choose my personal account, and I'm going to allow, and then I agree to the terms and condition, and I don't agree to send me occasional emails, and I'm going to click on next. And I'm going to say that I'm a business professional. I'm on product, maybe. All right, I'm going to enable mic and webcam here. I'm going to allow using my camera and my microphone here. There you go. So I'm just going to click on show me around to know more about the ScreenCastify. Just have to open the extension. That would be my first step, and then enable the ScreenCastify and then start recording. It's pretty much simple, guys. So I'm just gonna click on next here. Again, I'm gonna click on next here, and again I'm gonna click on next here, and I'm gonna click on done. I'm gonna click on got it, There you go. We have the ScreenCastify dashboard here. Here we have my videos and the videos to, in case if I wanted to edit some videos, I can edit here and I can submit the videos to any platform that I want. All right, so I'm gonna just click on how do I make my first recording here, and just shows me nice tutorials on how to make my first recording, but I already know that, so I'm just going to click on the extensions tab here and click on ScreenCastify. Actually, we can select the desktop or webcam only, or I can just actually select an option to embed webcam, and I can choose the camera. Also, I can choose the microphone. All right, now all I have to do is click on the record. There you go. This is the overlay of webcam that I have for my recording. Also, I have to select the screen here and click on share button here. There you go. The recording has started, and as you can see at the bottom left corner here, I have an option to actually stop the webcam and again restart the webcam. That is a brilliant feature, guys. Also, I have an option to include stickers. I have a lot of the stickers. I'm gonna choose a sticker somewhere. This is fantastic, guys. I can add stickers. I can add various stickers like this. All right, I'm gonna clear the screen again, and I'm gonna go back, and in the mouse controls here, in the mouse pointer, I can actually save the mouse clicks and actually enable focus. I can actually focus my cursor wherever my cursor goes. I can actually focus the view. All right, and when I go to the classic options, classic, nothing happens. In case if I want some fireworks here, I can click and I will get a nice firework like this. This is a fantastic feature, guys. I like this fireworks. It's pretty neat. All right, I'm gonna go back to my click version. So I'm just gonna click here and there's a little animation over there. It's fantastic, guys. So I'm gonna quickly press on escape button here, and in case if you wanted to draw some objects here like a triangle or a rectangle, I think the rectangle is the only option here. And I can also use a pen by clicking here, and I can actually annotate on my screen, which is fantastic, guys. So with this, I'm gonna just end this recording. And once you have ended this recording, again, it takes me to the dashboard. I'm gonna skip tour. This is our untitled video. In case if I wanted to make an edit for my videos, I can just open it editor. But first, I would like to see the quality of the video. So I'm just gonna click on play button here. There you go. The recording has started, and as you can see at the bottom left corner here, I have an option to actually stop the webcam and again restart the webcam. That is a brilliant feature, guys. All right, the recording looks fantastic. So on the right here, I have an option to copy the link of the video, or I can just export the video down here to YouTube or a file, or I can actually download the videos to my Google Drive. I can actually copy the drive link because I already have given access to my Google Drive. For now, I'm gonna export my video. There you go. So I'm gonna download this video and I'm gonna rename it as my first video, and I'm gonna save it in the desktop. This is fantastic, guys. We have very nice recording, and I was just looking for a watermark, but I couldn't see any watermark here. That's fantastic, guys. So I'm gonna close it quickly. All right, so in case if I wanted to generate a QR code and send it over to my friends, I can just click on the QR code and I can actually copy this QR code and send it to my students who just wanted to look at my video lectures. I can do that as well. And also there is an option to share this video to the classroom, which is also a fantastic feature, guys, because most of the online learning happens through Google Classroom. So there is an option to actually share this video in the Classroom app, and also you can send it over to email. Alright, in case if I wanted to edit this video, I'm gonna click on open in editor. It's pretty much a basic editor, but we can actually export this video for only 5 minutes. So that is a bummer, guys. You can actually cut it. You can also enable a cut here, and actually you can select this part of the video and you can click on zoom to actually zoom the video where I want. I'm going to click on play. Also, I have an option to include stickers. I have a lot of the stickers. I'm gonna choose a sticker somewhere, this is fantastic, guys. I can add stickers. There you go, the zoom option has been enabled in my video, and I can actually undo it here, or if I wanted to redo the whatever I have done, I can actually redo it here and click on export. This is fantastic, guys. This is ScreenCastify Edit for you. This is a Google Chrome extension, and it's a fantastic app for you to have to actually create screen recordings and share over different platforms, and also you can edit the video. So that's it from me, guys. So until I meet you in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel. Take care. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.